back to my channel. My name is Sakshi and how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are doing amazing. I hope you are adhering to all the rules and regulations and do not look at my face like that because I just woke up. It's Sunday, so it was a relaxing day but also a filming day, so I did not choose to make up today, and I'm sorry that if I disappoint you, but this is my real look. This is real me. Now, as we are talking about real me, let's talk about one of those amazing and super amazing drinks. I'm gonna say something that's real and something that's for women's health. Again, I'm a woman, so I want to talk about more women. So firstly, I would like to give a big shout out to me.in for giving me this protein shaker. It has a quote written over it that I love the most. It says, "Be calm, be balanced, and strong." I really love you and me in for sending me in this. Other stuff that they gave me is, sorry, I kept it older. I kept it opposite. It is women's dairy protein and wellness shake. To be honest, I was not a fan of protein shakes, but lately after having Protaf and my analogy and my thinking has changed towards protein shakes, especially as I said in my previous video, being a vegetarian and that too specifically Jain, it's really hard for us to take intake of proteins. Not that we don't want to take it, but it's just that we have certain restrictions that do not allow us to eat non-veg food items, I would say, that are enriched with proteins. So the only stuff that I ever eat that is enriched with proteins are the green leafy vegetables. Some of them, not all of them have proteins. Uh, Tofu, paneer, again very essential part of proteins naturally. Um, and all the pulses, they're all super enriched and charged with proteins. So this shake over here is a proteins and wellness shake that gives 30% of women, that has 30% of women's daily nutrition. The whole pack is 16 has 16.5 grams of plant protein. The sachet, let's open this up and let's see what's inside this. Oh, and again, this flavor is choco almond, super tasty, so you don't have to worry about the taste. Let's talk about how it's packed. So I've opened it up. It somewhat comes like this, and this is a sachet uh, over here that you can use it. It does not have any whey, it does not have any refined sugar, it does not have any preservatives and artificial color or artificial flavor. So you can use it either in milk or either in water, whatever your choice might be. It has 16 herbal extracts, it has 14 vitamins, 7 minerals, and 11 amino acids. Net weight is written as 35 grams. Pretty much amazing, I would like to say. So you can use it like the whole packet in one shake, or half. You can take it half of it. It depends upon the quantity of the water and the milk you take. So I take half of it. I make two of 300 grams of this. So yeah, I can't have the whole bottle. Sorry. Well, the taste, I tasted it and it's pretty amazing. You don't vomit the first time you drink it, so that's a plus point. Also, you get used to it. Yeah, it does not have sugar, but kind of puts your stomach to full. It kind of gives your stomach rest. So you don't have to worry about the snacks and stuff. You can always have this. Also, it has different ingredients such as jaggery, cocoa, Ayurvedic herb extract like moringa, vasaka, shatavari, kotkala, ginger, amla, nutgrass. All these ingredients are really essential and really beneficial for your body. If you guys, all the description will be in the box though. Yeah, so you can always have this one daily to have your own plant proteins. I generally take it twice in a week because of the lockdown. So do make sure, however it resonates to you and however the diet of yours is. Uh, So yeah, that's about the Enme Invil Pregnancy shake, and I'm in love with it. So a big shout out, thank you guys for sending me in this. I really appreciate it. And since I had it one earlier today, I'm not gonna like show you guys how to like shake it. I mean, it's pretty easy. Just cut put in the whole sachet, and that's it, guys. And pour in the water and just shake it and then drink it. I hope you guys love this video and the review about Enmin products. I've been drinking Enmin for a while for my PCOS, and just to let you know, it has some positive effect on my body. I'll see you in the next video with another product that I'm using for my lifestyle. Till then, bye bye guys. Take care, stay safe, and I love you guys. Till then.